Good morning, Shane Renna with Modern Trailer Sales in Anderson, Indiana. Today we're going to look at the Forest River Impression 280RL. This is a triple slide fifth wheel, approximately 9,600 pounds. We have opposing slides in the rear, 14-foot power awning with LED light strip, LED blue lit marine grade outdoor speakers, huge basement pass-through storage. This unit is equipped with a 4-point auto level system. Step above, fold down step. Beautiful aluminum rims with Goodyear tires. Let's take a look inside. This thing is gorgeous. Coming inside, you see the opposing slides in the rear of the unit, which opens it up. Very nice. We've got theater seats straight across from your entertainment center that has a 50-inch LED TV. At the rear of the unit, you have a tri-fold sofa that'll sleep 2 more people. Here's a better shot of that entertainment center. Bluetooth soundbar, electric fireplace, 10 cubic foot, compressor driven, 12-volt refrigerator. Huge island with a stainless steel sink, swan neck spray faucet. Take a look there. Huge pantry. These are chalkboards. We write love notes to our wives and or husbands. Motion activated light. Let's see if I can pan away here to see this massive pantry here. Let's take a look upstairs. Nice sized vanity, medicine cabinet, stand up shower with a skylight. This is going to give you a porcelain foot flush toilet, which is really nice, easier to clean. There's our monitor panel, switches, thermostats for both air conditioners. We have one in the front, one in the back. Here's the master bedroom. We have shirt wardrobes on both sides. Underneath, you do have cabinets. There is 110 power and USB on both sides of the bed as well. Look at that beautiful windshield in the front of the coach as well. If I pan to the left a little bit, you're going to see the third slide out, which is more wardrobe space. I'll try to do the best I can on letting you see this. More storage in the bedroom. That is also washer dryer prep. Guys, this is the 280RL Forest River Impression. If you have any questions about this unit, please give us a call at 765-644-4497 or visit us at moderntrailer.com. Thanks. Have a great day.